Okay, welcome to the show. We are making this Ziplock bag storage container that you can mount to the wall, or you could probably stack them inside your drawer. So let's get started. We got the box and then the cap or the lid, and we start with a sketch. And I made parameters. I did length, width, height, a shell, and fillet. So here we got our length times width. We'll finish that. We'll extrude to our height, right? And we'll just choose an end here. We're gonna shell this out, type shell there. So now that whole thing is shelled out. Okay, so now we have our box with the opening shelled out. We'll put our slot in here for the bags. So we'll do a sketch on here, all right? And then we'll use that slot tool. Where is that? Slot. Overall slot. It's 125 millimeters long. I think that was 35. Okay, let's see if we can move that. There, move together. All right, it's good enough for me. Click OK. We'll finish that. And what you'll have to do is measure the opening of that box and how it lines up. But as you can see, it's a little offset to the right or left. Yeah, right, because the opening here is on the top. And that's just the way the box is. Where the bags come out, they don't come out in the center of the box, they come more off to the side. Now extrude this -3. Okay, there's one other thing I did, which was inside the box we made holes to mount this. So we'll create a sketch inside there. So we'll put a circle here, and it's 5, and then put another one here, 5, and then we'll finish our sketch. We'll go to hole and click that hole. I'm trying to get this, and click that one. Now we don't need 40, so it's 3 deep. I think it was 3 wide, and I want the countersink one. So 3 wide. So you got this one down here. That's how actually large the hole is. This is how deep it is. This is your angle, and then this is the top where you want the countersink to start. So I'm doing 5 there. Don't seem enough. Do 8. Okay, we click OK, and you can see the holes are looking pretty sweet. All right, next we're gonna fillet this opening. Fillet and fillet, because that's what we said earlier. We set that to 3. Look at that, pretty cool. And honestly, that's all there is to it. Just gonna change the color, change it to blue, just to make it look nicer, and that's it. The only other thing we had was the box end, and I'm pretty sure you guys can figure that out. It's just 2 rectangles. This one's 1 millimeter high. This one's like 2 or 3. But you also got to remember how far your box, your sandwich bags, goes inside the storage container. You don't want to make this too deep or else it won't fit. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe like always, because it really does help. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.